Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the 5 simple money hacks that actually work. Before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. According to P.T. Barnum, the famed American showman, money is a dreadful master but a great servant. And the more useful it is to us, the better. Many of us, on the other hand, accept our incomes, spending, loans, and financial constraints without giving them much thought. With the correct tools and mindset, you can increase cash flow and decrease cash outflow. By acquiring new skills, fine-tuning your expenditures, and changing damaging behaviors, you may regain control of your financial situation. The following are 5 easy money hacks that genuinely work. Number 5. Balance your expenditures and savings. Finally, if you have some pricey habits that you simply cannot change, such as that morning latte, packs of cigarettes, or ordering more than one drink while out, convert them into habits that cost and save money by matching your spending to your savings. Spending $8 on a pack of cigarettes is excessive. Make a transfer of $8 from your checking to your savings account. Purchase 4 $5 coffees in a single week. Increase your savings account by $20. This is especially effective if the habits being broken are bad ones. There are numerous additional ways to save money, such as depositing any increase, tax refund, or bonus directly into your savings account. Spend some time researching money-saving methods and strategies and identify a few that appear to work for you. This can result in annual savings of thousands of dollars, and the difference between a stressful and peaceful retirement. Number 4. Automate your savings. Additionally, this money-saving technique is relatively painless due to its passive nature. Simply organize your accounts in such a way that money is automatically saved for you. Numerous payroll departments at workplaces can assist you with this, for example, by rerouting a specific percentage of each paycheck to a selected account. If you put $300 each month into a savings account, it adds up to a huge $3,600 every year. If you save $3,600 every year for 20 years, and invest it in the stock market, you will end up with roughly $178,000. You can almost certainly increase your savings rate over time, resulting in even more money. Make the most of your employer-sponsored 401k plan, if you have one. If your employer gives matching funds, contribute enough to your account to take advantage of all available funds, as this is free money. If you make $70,000 and contribute 10%, or $7,000, to a 401k each year, an average yearly growth rate of 8% results in around $346,000 after 20 years. Additionally, 401k accounts are tax-advantaged, with regular 401ks deducting the amount of your contribution from your taxable income in the year of contribution, and Roth 401ks providing tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Additionally, many workplaces allow you to automatically increase your payments each year. If you're already saving 10% of your salary this year, increasing it to 11% next year won't harm much, and before you know it, you'll be saving 15% or more of your income. Number 3. Make phone calls. This money-saving method astounds many people, since it is so simple. Make a few calls. To begin, if you have credit card debt and are being charged a high interest rate, you may be able to negotiate a lower rate just by asking. Reduce the interest rate on your credit card debt by negotiating a lower rate. That's correct. If you phone one of your credit card companies and request a lower rate, you may very probably receive one. According to creditcards.com, 69% of cardholders who called their issuers and requested a lower interest rate received one. You may also qualify for a waiver of your yearly charge, saving you $75, $100, or more per year. Fully 82% of cardholders who called and inquired were successful in reducing or eliminating their yearly charge, 31% negotiated the price to a lower level, and 51% had it eliminated totally, while 89% of cardholders who requested one were granted one. Another successful phone call is to a group of insurance companies. Each business calculates rates differently, and each will almost certainly offer you a different price for the same coverage. If you spend an hour calling multiple insurers and shopping around, you may be able to save hundreds of dollars every year on your house insurance, vehicle insurance, and other types of insurance. Number 2. Let small sums add up. Saving little sums here and there for a lengthy period of time is a tried and true method of increasing your savings. The famous gourmet coffee that you might order every weekday morning at your favorite coffee shop is a perfect example. If it costs $4 each month, that works out to nearly $1,000 per year. Another really effective, but not particularly simple, approach to save money is to quit smoking. Not only will this leave you with a large sum of money, but it will almost certainly extend your life greatly as well. In many regions, a pack of cigarettes costs $8 or more, so quitting a one-pack-a-day habit would save you about $3,000. There are numerous strategies to gradually save money. If you routinely eat supper out and spend an average of $60 per meal, consider cutting back to one dinner out per week. This can result in a savings of $3,000. Couponing at the supermarket may save you $260 every week if you use $5 worth of them. If you have lunch out every day of the week and spend approximately $10 or $12 per meal, consider brown bagging 2 or 3 meals per week. This can result in annual savings of more than $1,000. If you live in a city and take the bus or subway to work, when you might walk, you may save hundreds of dollars each year by walking as much as feasible. Consider the following suggestions. Every time you do laundry, place $5 in a jar, along with any change you find in pockets. Certain individuals simply bank every $5 bill they possess. These movements can add up to hundreds of dollars over time. A little creative thinking can assist you in identifying more methods to save. Number 1. Play mind games with yourself. You may certainly save a significant amount of money by incorporating more psychology into your financial life. For instance, establish a rule that requires you to wait at least a day or a week before making a large purchase, whether it's a new suit or a nice bicycle. By sleeping on it for a while, you may discover that the urge to make the buy has passed, and you are no longer as keen to make the purchase. Another technique that some individuals employ prior to making a large purchase is to visualize someone with two outstretched hands. On the one hand, there is the intended buy. On the other, there is a pile of cash reflecting the transaction's cost. By imagining the purchase is a contest between your hard-earned bucks and the flashy object of your desire, you may discover that the cash is, on balance, more tempting. You, too, can consider that financial trade-off more carefully. For instance, suppose you wish to spend $1,000 on a large-screen television. You might consider the choice between $1,000 and a new large-screen television, or you can look ahead and consider what that $1,000 could accomplish for you over time. For instance, if you invested that money in the stock market for 20 years, and it increased at an annual average rate of 8%, it would grow to $4,661. Now consider the decision between a large-screen TV today, and $4,661 in the future, when it can help you have a more comfortable retirement. Another approach is to keep in mind the value of your time. If you earn approximately $50 per hour and wish to invest $600 on a new grill, consider whether the new grill is truly worth 12 hours of work. You may instead choose for a 6-hour display model, or for no new grill at all. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.